Talking about the Faculty of Law at Delhi University, it offers a 3-year, that is a 6-semester course. It's a pioneering law school in India and a time-tested legal institution of par excellence. It currently operates in 3 centers, that is Law Center 1, Law Center 2, and Law Center Campus. Here's a list of universities that offer LLB. Delhi University, BHU, Punjab University, Kurukshetra University, IIT Kharagpur, Allahabad University, and Osmania University, Hyderabad. Talking about the entrance examination syllabus, the English part mainly consists of 3 parts: vocab, grammar, and comprehensions. Here's a list of books. General knowledge mainly consists of politics, history, geography, economics, science, technology, environment, general science, burning topics, books and authors, and industries and agriculture. The books can be Monoma yearbook and quick reference general knowledge. Analytical ability, here's what an analytical ability section consists of: statements and assumptions, number tests, assertion reasoning, blood relationships, analogy. Here's a list of books that can be referred for analytical ability. For legal awareness, there should be the knowledge of Indian Constitution, Indian Contract Act, Indian Penal Code, family law, legal maxims, and important judgments of the Supreme Court. And a couple of books for the legal awareness section has also been mentioned. Certain important tips for the LLB exam preparation: make an effective study plan, make your notes, put extra effort on your weaker areas, identify your weaknesses, and put in more effort to overcome them. Important topics revision from time to time is extremely essential. Solving previous year question paper is also very important. Taking small breaks in between your schedules helps in rejuvenating your mind and ensuring better performance. Focus on vocabulary and grammar. Participate in a lot of group discussions. Read daily newspapers to be in touch with latest news and events happening around the world. And most importantly, have a positive attitude, because a positive attitude always leads us to a positive outcome.